Hey guys, PMHK obviously. PMHK here, obviously. This English life, not easy. So today we're going to, I posted a video of the Google Home. My eyes are itchy because we're braying outside. So I posted a video of the Apple HomePod. I think it went live on Wednesday. If you didn't watch that video, make sure you go and watch that video. But what we are doing today, we are here with a couple of friends, or I'm here with a couple of friends, and this eye is not helping. I'm here with a couple of friends, and we're going to try the Google Home. So, the Apple HomePod. I think I like the Google Home too much. We're gonna try the Apple HomePod. Let me go wash my face first. Much better now. As I was trying to explain, today we're celebrating my birthday, which was last week Monday. So I have a couple of friends over. I'm gonna go take the Apple HomePod from the living room, and I'm gonna see their reaction. We are sitting in the kitchen, so let me go and do that. Hello. How are you?
I'm actually waiting.
How are you? Shoulder grit.
I'm actually watching.
Good. So we're all here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
I'm cooking $50 to be mine.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Oh wait. Please listen to me. Behave yourself, Simon. Else I'm gonna chase you out. I'm gonna try and put these guys for you guys to listen how it plays. Nah?
Is it a winning? Are we winning something?
Then you must have a reaction.
Reaction like you.
No.
You guys watch that video. Sure.
I'm gonna put you on blast. What are we doing?
Open this box. Open the box. God damn
He
it.
was like, I'm opening it. Then he has a knife. Then he puts it on the side and he's like this the whole time. Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
Oh, it's a bloody box, nigga. Open the box. You just want to get in that video and just God, open the box.
They're just a bunch of haters. So I'm gonna put it. I want you guys to listen and tell me what do you think of the quality. For a small speaker.
That's not small.
Don't pretend your reaction.
That is a small speaker.
This one is also
that
small.
That is a big ass speaker.
What's a small speaker?
Small speaker. What?
Okay, I think it's on. Who's gonna ask first? Because it's a smart speaker.
Hey,
What?
Siri.
Hey you, how?
Yeah, don't show off. Let the black people do it.
No, don't act. Don't do it. Do it because we don't know this technology. We don't know this.
Siri, what is it?
Is it Siri?
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
He doesn't know that.
Hey, it's reacting.
Really?
It's reacting. It's reacting.
Is it Siri though?
Hey Siri.
It's not talking. Does it talk back? It doesn't want.
What you want? Must
Hey
say the
Suri. Suzanne. Maschava.
That's wretched.
Hey Siri, play Mob Ties by Drake.
Can hear
I
you.
like that song. Do you like it as well?
Come closer. Come closer.
Hey Siri, please play Fully In by AKA.
Yeah, he can hear you.
Yeah.
She can hear you. Is it a
Hey
Guys,
Siri,
the voice. Pedro.
how
Pedro.
are you today?
Pedro, do
I'm
the
happy
voice.
to be here.
Language.
Hey Siri,
Unhappy.
please play.
He likes your voice, go. He doesn't like my voice.
Hey Siri,
You're shouting.
please play.
Play Mob Ties by Drake.
Playing Mob Ties by Drake.
Doesn't like the black ones.
I don't like this song.
Sorry, Simon.
It's not about the song. Tell me how the speaker sounds. No, don't put too much loud. Don't put too much loud. Don't put too loud.
Sick of these niggas. Hire some help. Get rid of these niggas.
How's that?
Hey Siri,
Pause.
turn your volume to 50%. That's 50%.
Hey Siri, turn the volume to 100%.
Just a moment.
She doesn't like you, bro. Come on.
Hey Siri,
Now change music, don't put the volume to 100%.
Put volume to 100%.
Yes.
Yeah, we can pause.
Wanna hear?
That's very loud. Are you sure?
Yes.
Language. Oh. Sorry.
240 million like Japan. Standing on the coffin with a hammer and a nail.
600.
Nah.
Can hear each other.
Hey Siri,
I'm tired of hearing your voice.
why are you giving me so much attitude?
We were talking about you, not me.
Hi, this Tiana. This Tiana. Tiana. She's as cocky as she sounds. I think they use your voice in English. Oh, so this was you.
Yeah, it was you.
Yeah, it's Tiana.
Hey Siri, what did you eat today?
I don't eat. Though if I did, I'd eat chocolate.
Hey Siri, when can I take you out?
Bomb. Doesn't like black people, racist.
Hey Siri, when can I take you out on a date? Talk dirty to me.
Humus. Compost. Pumice.
Hey, name me everything dirty. Hey Siri, talk nasty to me.
Because of the gays pushing buttons now.
Hey Siri, talk dirty to me.
The carpet needs vacuuming.
You're not funny.
Hey Siri, you are not funny.
I think that's subject to opinion.
I told you this. Tatiana, this Tatiana.
Anyway, I'll make 'em say tonight I'm living my life. Gonna let go of what I like. There's a voice inside confining me, defining me. I gotta live.